Authorities on the New South Wales Central Coast have begun annual raids for alligator eggs in an effort to control the population. Mark Reddy is on this.
Like any mother trying to protect her family, these alligators behind me are extremely protective. But the scorching Australian heat means their eggs are less likely to hatch and more likely to be hard-boiled. So the challenge for these handlers at the Australian Reptile Park is to seize these eggs without losing an arm or a leg, and it's certainly not a faint-hearted.
When we walk into the yard with the gators, it's what we eat. We're very excited, but we're also really concerned and treat it really seriously because a box of these is stuck in the nose.
3 of the invaders restrained the mother while the others stop other alligators from interfering. Once their mouths are taped, in they go to collect the eggs. They are then placed into an incubator and will hatch in around 70 days from now.
But we also have an added advantage that we can control the sex of the babies, male and female, by which temperature we incubate them at.
While at times like
Testing.
dramatically increases their chance of survival, protecting them from natural
Let's
predators
see.
on land such as pigs and snakes, and in the water from fish and other
Ready
alligators.
for the 2015. I'm making a video. It's a bit too my glass is very blurry. Huh? No, it's like I don't know. Part of my activities. Let's